Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So this is my Multistrada 1200S and we are doing a diesel wash. So I'm just using this clean make, just a box, yeah, and I've filled it with diesel and so just spraying it around. So what is the benefit of using a diesel? So basically it can cut off all the dust, slush, mud and make your bike look clean. So we are going to leave it for another 10-15 minutes like this. Then we are going to put it directly under the tap and thoroughly wash it. So this is my bike. So I'm using a GR Lights dummy exhaust. I've ordered a tail tidy for this. It's too damn expensive. So we are going to do some chain cleaning. So we are going to do some chain cleaning right now, and we would be using this brush to clean it up. So you can see all the dust, all this dust that has been deposited on the chain is coming off. I don't use a lot of chain lube or anything like that. So I think you can see the chain. It's still not thoroughly cleaned, but yeah, it's quite close to it. I've ordered a new a pair of sprocket for front and back, and also ordered a chain. So I've got this sprocket delivered to me, but the chain is still not I don't know where it is right now. So let's go and clean this up. You can see like it started shining up, so just have to give it some time. So yeah, pretty close here. So I'd be signing off from here. I will show you the next video when I do the full water wash, and then just share your comments and views on it. So take care, bye bye.